Okay guys, there's quite a few Fox body cars up here. They've all had crowds around them, so I wasn't able to video any of them, but let's see if we can get this one. It's fuel injected car, 5.0. This is an 85. I had a 85 that was carbureted. And they did the fuel injection in 85. Nice interior. I like that. I like those seats. That is really nice. So this is a fuel injected 85.
I changed the fuel injection.
Oh, okay. I had an 85 with a Holly 4-barrel. I was curious. Okay, that makes sense.
I took everything out of 86, the harness and all.
Okay. Does it run good?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. That's a nice looking car you got.
88 notch like that one over there.
Yeah.
I sold it. I had an 83 GT convertible like this. I sold it last year. I had an 83 convertible coming. I had 30 years up clean. I sold it. I got a truck just like that right there.
Do you really?
Silver, lower to the ground with Crown Vic swap, fuel injected engine all in it. And then I still got a 68 Ford Falcon with a fuel injected engine in it.
Wow. You must like yeah, too many products. You like the fuel injected cars, I see.
I can't stand the carburetor.
Yeah. It's hard to beat fuel injection. I agree with you.
You go out there and crank it up, and you ain't got to go there.
Yep.
85.
Yep. You're right.
Drive my car.
Yep. I understand. I totally get it. All right, buddy. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there you have it, folks. He's put an 86 fuel injection motor in it. I'm curious about that.